Hello students, welcome to the topic of buttress threads cutting male and female with tool grinding. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to set buttress threading tool, cut external and internal buttress threads, fitting male and female threading parts.
Materials and equipment. Lathe machine. Thread cutting tools or tapping tools. Tapping tools. Grinding machine. Grinding wheels. Calipers or micrometers. Cutting fluids. Process. Task 1. Making buttress male component. Hold and through the job in a 4-jaw chuck. Turn diameter 48 mm for possible length. Again turn diameter 40 mm up to a length of 95 mm from front end of the job. Make a step of diameter 25 for a length of 25 mm. By using parting tool, make the diameter 34 mm, multiply by 5 mm step. Make use of buttress thread cutting. External tool, cut the required thread to a length of 70 mm. Check the thread for its measurement and accuracy. Task 2. Making buttress female component. Hold the job, face the ends to length and turn diameter 48 mm, chamfer the ends. Drill 14 mm diameter and bore it up to 32.3 mm to a length of 65 mm or more. Fix the internal buttress thread cutting tool and cut to the required thread after setting the change gear train. Check the accuracy of the thread. Task 3. Grinding for buttress thread tool, male. Remove the excess material on the right-hand side to the required width and length by using a rough grinding wheel. Grind a front clearance angle of 6 degrees and end cutting edge angle of 6 degrees. Check with a protractor and maintain an accuracy of ±10_. Grind RH side relief angle of 1 degree and a side clearance angle of 2 degrees. Grind LH side relief angle of 1 degree and a side clearance angle of 2 degrees. Grind to a top rake angle of 6 degrees and form angle of 45 degrees. Task 4. Grinding for buttress thread, female. Prepare the pedestal grinder for grinding our internal buttress threading tool. Grind bottom clearance angle of 30 degrees to 45 degrees and end cutting angle of 10 degrees. Grind a side clearance angle of 8 degrees and a side cutting edge angle of 20 degrees. Grind a top rake angle of 10 degrees and a side rake angle of 40_. Maintain a nose radius of 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters. Deburr with an Allstone and check the tool profile with a tool angle gauge protractor. Points to remember. Avoid burning of tools. Make sure the cutting edge is visible always. While grinding, make use of the entire width of the grinding wheel, that is, don't grind in one particular place.
In this video, we learn about how to set buttress threading tool, how to cut external and internal buttress threads, and about fitting of male and female threading parts. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.